Did you know Windows 11 offers several different ways to sign in, and that some are much more secure than others? In this video, I'll explain every Windows 11 sign-in option, show you how to set each one up, compare the security differences, and even show you how to bypass sign-in altogether. I'm Jerry Rawlick, and this is Wandering Through Windows. Windows 11 includes several ways to authenticate and unlock your PC. These options range from traditional passwords to advanced biometric security using fingerprints and facial recognition through Windows Hello. Some methods prioritize convenience, while others focus heavily on security. Most modern Windows 11 systems support at least a PIN and password, while premium devices may also support fingerprint readers or infrared facial recognition cameras. To manage your sign-in methods, open Settings, choose Accounts, and then select Sign-in Options. This is where all authentication methods live. The traditional password is still the main credential tied to your Microsoft or local account. While passwords work everywhere, they're also more vulnerable to phishing, guessing, and password reuse attacks. However, you may still need to use one for first-time system setups, making some system-level changes, or if you don't want biometrics or a PIN. Just make sure it's sufficiently strong and complex to maximize security. To set up a password, select Password from the Sign-in options, choose Add or Change, and enter the new password. Windows Hello PIN works differently. A PIN is tied specifically to your device and protected by your PC's Trusted Platform Module, or TPM. Even though a PIN may look simpler, it's often safer than a traditional password because it cannot be used remotely on any other system. It provides a faster sign-in, it's more resistant to phishing, and provides strong security without the use of biometrics. To set up a PIN, select PIN Windows Hello from the Sign-in options. Select Setup and enter your account password. Create your PIN and then confirm. Biometric authentication allows Windows 11 to recognize something unique about you, instead of requiring you to type in a password. Fingerprint recognition uses a built-in or USB fingerprint reader to securely scan your fingerprint. The biometric data is encrypted and stored locally on your device. To set up fingerprint recognition, select it from the sign-in options, click Setup, and scan your finger multiple times. This is a good choice if your device has a fingerprint reader and you want biometric security but not face recognition. Facial recognition uses a special infrared camera that maps depth and facial features to verify your identity. Unlike ordinary webcams, Windows Hello facial recognition is designed to resist spoofing attempts using photos or videos. To set up facial recognition, select it from the sign-in options, click Setup, and follow the camera scan instructions. This is a good choice if your webcam is IR capable, if you want instant sign-in, and you prefer biometric security. Both fingerprint and facial recognition sign-in options are extremely convenient and provide excellent security for personal and business devices. Windows 11 also supports physical security keys, such as FIDO2 USB authentication devices. These keys are among the most secure sign-in methods available because they rely on hardware encryption and are highly resistant to phishing attacks. For this reason, security keys are commonly used in enterprise environments, government systems, and high-security accounts. To set up a security key, insert it into your device and select Security Key from the sign-in options. Choose Manage and create a PIN. On the other hand, Picture Password allows users to draw gestures on an image to sign in. While fun and useful for touchscreen devices, picture passwords are considered less secure and are rarely used on modern systems today. However, if you wish to use this method, choose it from the sign-in options, select an image, and create the desired gesture. Confirm when you're done. If signing in is not your thing, and security is not a concern, Windows 11 allows a legitimate, supported way to skip it. To do this, bring up the Run command by pressing the Win+R keys and type netplwiz. From within the window, uncheck the option requiring users to enter a password. Enter your password to confirm, and then restart your computer. Windows will now boot straight into your desktop. While this improves convenience, it dramatically reduces security because anyone with physical access to the computer can access your files and accounts instantly. Automatic login is best reserved for home desktop PCs in secure environments and is generally not recommended for laptops or shared systems. For most Windows 11 users, the best setup is a Windows Hello pin combined with fingerprint or facial recognition if your hardware supports it. This creates a fast, modern, passwordless experience while maintaining strong protection against phishing and remote attacks. Security keys provide the highest level of protection, especially for business users or anyone handling sensitive information. Thanks for joining me, and be sure to tune in again when we do another Wander Through Windows. Don't forget to check out the next video above, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.